fishing day 3, I think day 4 of the trip. We took a lay day yesterday. It was blowing real good, and Alana needed a break. But yeah, it's just myself and Tom today. Again, it's blowing really hard out of the northeast, I believe. So we're gonna have to kind of tuck in the harbor. So we're kind of limited in what we can do. So we'll see. I mean, there's patch reef all over. We'll get out there, give it hell, and see what we can come up with. And then I think when we're done fishing, we're actually gonna pull some stone crab traps. So that's always really fun. So I'll see you out there, guys. Super pumped. Pretty windy today, so we're literally just right off the beach. See, this is probably the reef structure there, so it put us right in the sand and we should drift back over top it. It's just kind of like back home, anchoring over the wrecks. Again, little white jig head, piece of squid, 20-pound fluorocarbon, drifted back with the slick. Hey fellas. So guys, really cool. There's all these shrimp boats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Blowing real good out of that northeast, so the Gulf side where I guess they shrimp is gnarly. So they're over here all just laid up. Pretty neat. Like biting me. Guys, I got somebody, Tom. Goes like a yellowtail. Front. But guys, last night down in Key West, we went to I forget what it was called. Some oyster bar. It was delicious. I had 3 dozen oysters. You got stone crabs. No, get out of there. I didn't even know he was on there. Check that out, Tom.
Oh, that's a lane.
That's a little baby lane, right?
Yeah.
Look how pretty.
They only have to be 8 inches.
Little baby lane snapper. So pretty. The colors. Awesome.
It's hard.
Tell you what, guys, it's cold out here. We went from the other day, it was so hot, and it's cold out today. Oh, he came back for it. He came back for it. Nice. That was a better bite. I think this is a yellowtail. Pretty sure. No. I got a present for you.
Huh? Oh.
I got a little present for you.
Guess where you're going?
Yep. All right, guys, so that is a...
Fix you up with a blind date.
Yeah. All right, guys, so there's a little blue runner. That's a good size. We're going to put him on live. Try and see if there's any king mackerel back there. So, guys, Santiago, we call him Santiago because he's the old man in the sea. So he's 79 now. He runs his boat, trailers his boat down here every winter. He's been doing it for, I think, 30 years or something like that. And back home, every day I'll be having my morning coffee. And I'll say, there goes Tom. Or if there's a little break in a rainy day, I'll say, there he goes. He's out fluke fishing every day. Stripers in the fall. He just loves it. The old man in the sea. Comes tuna fishing with me. Oh, that was a good bite. I mean, he's more help on the boat than most of my guys half his age. Now what Tom's gonna do is we'll rig up that big spinner, and he's got special rigs for the king mackerel. It's a trace wire with a circle, and then it's got a treble for a chaser, a stinger. There you go, so that's the rig. A circle, and then a stinger. Oh, I got bit. Got it? I can put it there. Ooh, that's another runner. You know, day one, again, unfortunately, I lost the GoPro, but I mean, we were getting big amberjacks, so we filled that quota. Another blue runner. Yeah, so there's the rig there. Blue runner. What he does, Tom will cut the tail, so it just limits his swimming a little bit. Oh, you cut the pec fin too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Really mess them up.
Yeah, they're so active.
Yeah, they really are. Oh, there you go. What I'm doing, guys, as I let that line out, just waiting for it to speed up, or I'll see a little jerk in the line. You know, change direction a little bit. You know, you got bit. See? Get moving a little bit, guys. Come on, I hope you didn't swallow it. There you go. Look at that. Dude. Brother should have found us again. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh, look at this. Check this out, guys. Little Spanish mackerel. Little, ow, little guy.
Let's strip them out.
Nah, let's let him go. Yeah. Got that blue runner. Look how pretty, guys. Little Spanish. Yeah, let him. Oh, he bottomed you up.
Yeah.
Oh no, you got him. You got him. Pop off? That had to have been a shark, right? Oh, he's right there. He's a hammerhead. Did you see that? Did you see that, Tom? Oh, that was cool.
Comes back, huh?
That was neat. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. You got him.
So.
Oh, whoa, we're getting bit over there.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, the shark this day didn't hit the wire rig, just hit one of Tom's regular rigs. But yeah, the day prior when I fought that big shark, it was on the wire rig, and yeah, we got him right to the boat. All right, guys, first spot, had a lot of fun. We're gonna go make a little wiggle here, see what else we can get into. Ready? Pulling up the anchor now. Second spot. Tom says he's caught some porgies here in the past. Low-lying reef. So get the chum going, see if anybody's home. Somebody's home. Sorry about the wind, guys. Right here you can really see that rod tip really shaking pretty good. There you go. It's a couple good head shakes. So right about here I said to Tom, I said, what if this is a big mutton? You know, at first I thought it was a shark. Made some just kind of like steady runs. And I start feeling more and more head shakes. And yeah, I was like, man, I hope this is a big old mutton. And sure enough, what do you see what I got here, guys?
There we go. How about that?
I don't think it's a shark. I think it's a big mutton, dude. It's a big mutton.
Oh, man.
Ready?
Is it? All right,
Yeah.
hold on a minute.
Ready? I got this. Get him.
Can you believe
Yes. 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 All the big rods, all the running around we did, and we're right off the beach. Woo! Look at that. Whoa. Yes. Big old mutton. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Barely had him hooked. I mean, look at that. We got lucky. Actually, it wasn't going anywhere. Oh, yeah. Well, so there you go, guys. Big old mutton snapper. I don't know how big it is. It feels like probably, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 pounds, actually. All right. Santiago's fish can. Tom Sr. Look at that. Love it. Phew. Ooh, his teeth. All right. Right off the beach, team. We literally are half a mile off the beach. Oh, yeah. Now, team, right about here, I hadn't told Santiago yet, but I was feeling terrible. I think the 3 dozen oysters had caught up to me. I was starting to get this wicked abdominal pain. I was nauseous. Now, mind you, I don't get seasick. I've been in, 8-foot seas right on top of each other. It was definitely the oysters. I went back to the hotel, and yeah, I didn't get out of bed for the rest of the night. But I made it through the day. And right about here starts the attack of the birds. Mud or a lane? There you go. Pull a little bit. It's so fun, guys. You just never know what you got. Whoa! Look. He almost took it right out of you. Oh my God, he took it right here. He took it right. Get out of here. Get. You silly. Look at this dude. What? You're going to hook yourself. Get out of here. You maniac. Oh, I love Florida. I really do. Florida's so fun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Get out of here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you know you want to. I see you. All right, come on, fella. Come on. Come on. There you are. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah. Oh, get it. You got it. Yeah, now go enjoy your meal. Take it slow. Oh. Yeah, oh, you get it? Oh my God, he got it. Get out of here. Give me my Spanish mackerel. Get out of here. You're going to snag yourself. Look, snag yourself. Got a little Spanish mackerel. All right, got a little problem here. Hey, fella. Bag.
Let me help you.
I got it. I got it. Oh, he popped off. Oh, that was a good run off. All right, guys, so we just had a nice runoff on the finfish on the bottom. Let's see if he comes back. This is what we've been dealing with here. These are our pet pelicans. They're a little aggressive. Get out of here. Go on, get. Now we're coming after the chum bag. Get out of here. Yeah. They're getting braver and braver. Oh, here we go. Oh, popped off. That was a good runoff. See that, Tom? Oh, man. That was a good runoff. That must have been a shark. Oh. Over here. Get. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. Jesus. All right. See what happens when you play too much? See? Oh, he slapped me right in the face. He slapped me right in the face. Get out of here, will you? Come on. Get out, get away. Yeah, somebody picked him up, I think. Stop it. Come on. Get over here. Get. Come on. Oh my God, now he snagged the other one. I got two of them. Come here. Okay, all right. Working on it. All right. Caught a pelican. Get out of here, guys. Oh, yeah. Lunatics. Get out. Get. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the fishing. It's around, I don't know, 2:15. And yeah, I mean, you can see it's pretty snotty out here. We're right off the beach. We made it happen, so pretty good little afternoon. So we're gonna pull the anchor line, and then we're gonna head on into Tom Senior's secret spot and pull some stone crab traps. So maybe Alana and I will get a nice appetizer. So yeah, we're gonna leave our crazy penguins behind. You guys are nuts. Penguins, pelicans. See you, boys. Alright guys, so we pushed around to where the traps are. So Tom's just filleting up a couple of fish we caught the other day to has carcasses to rebait the traps. We'll see. Excuse me. So we'll see. This is fun. Look at that house there, guys. That's all one house. That's crazy. Unreal. This is a nice drop off here. Tools of the trade. I need some heavy duty gloves. That silly clasper thingy. Oh yeah, you're not joking. It's slippery.
Slide back here now.
Yep.
Right into the door.
See if there's anybody home. There's one in there. Got two.
Bend it back. This way.
Right. I got him. I think I got him. Is that one big enough?
Yeah, he's big enough just this way, and that's what we got.
And how do you break them?
Oh, you bend them down like this, it'll break right off.
So just bend it
Down
towards me?
Yeah.
Like that. That's a nice one. Take both of them or just the one?
Well, we better take them both because you don't have much choice here.
All right. Then we let them go.
Yeah. We only have
3 feet. Send it back out. Make a mess, huh?
Yeah, when I was eating them, I was pulling them like crazy.
Were you?
Yeah, I'm not eating them now.
All right. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Look at that, guys. We got
he's got a nice one.
look at that. We got a blue claw. Oh yeah, he's got a nice one.
They use them for permit bait.
Yeah. All right, then back he goes. Nice blue claw.
There you. Is there a washer and dryer at your place?
Nah,
Bring them over to mine.
that'll be all right. I think there's just one in here.
Been here for like over a week.
Yeah, you'd think. Yeah, just the one. Yeah, last time we killed it.
Yeah, I know.
So Tom was actually missing 2 traps. He said what happens a lot of times is jet skis or other boats run right through there and they cut the line, and that's kind of how you lose them. Or occasionally someone else just steals your traps. Kind of a bummer. But yeah, it was a lot slower this time than the last time Alana and I had pulled traps with Tom. The plan was actually we didn't have that many. I was going to go pick up a couple more pounds and then meet up with Tom over at his house and kind of give you guys a catch and cook stone crab. But by the time I got back to the hotel, I was having fevers, chills. I really was feeling horrible. So, again, I was bedridden for the rest of the night. All right, team. Definitely not as good as the last time I was here. I'm a mess. Look at that. Big Hatteras. He's in my marina where we're staying. Yeah. Hold on. Valve's going under. Oh, I told you. Get a little rinse. That's what you call displacement.
Yeah, I grabbed that tendon on top.
What kind of shark was it, guys?
Bull shark.
Bull shark, right? Yeah. Good job. Did you catch it?
No, but he's
No?
gonna reap the benefits of it.
Yeah.
Maybe when he's 12, he can go catch some sharks.
I bet that thing
I'll
falls
bring
down
it
on you like a mouse trap.
Watch Noah. Look it.
Oh, wow. Look, you got some teeth, huh?
Let's get that gooey stuff off of there. You want one more too?